Have you ever looked at an image and wished you could change the text without ruining the original design? Whether it's a business flyer, a social media banner, a scanned document, a certificate template, or a promotional graphic, replacing text while keeping everything natural requires more than just basic editing. It takes precision, experience, and attention to every detail. Professional image text editing is more than simply adding new words over an existing image. Every project requires careful analysis of the original design, including the font style, font size, spacing, alignment, colors, shadows, gradients, and background textures. The goal is to make the new text blend naturally into the image, creating a result that looks clean, polished, and professionally designed. Every image tells a story, and even a small text change should preserve that story without affecting the overall appearance. That's why professional editors recreate missing backgrounds, match typography accurately, and ensure every detail remains visually consistent. The final image should look as though the new text was always part of the original design. Image text editing is useful for many different purposes. Businesses often update promotional banners, marketing graphics, product advertisements, restaurant menus, brochures, flyers, posters, and social media content. Online sellers frequently need product images translated or updated with new pricing and information. Designers may need to modify templates for different clients, while content creators often require quick updates to graphics without rebuilding the entire design from scratch. Professional editing can also save both time and money. Instead of recreating an entire design, existing artwork can be updated quickly while maintaining its original quality. This allows businesses and individuals to reuse valuable design assets efficiently without sacrificing a professional appearance. Accuracy is one of the most important aspects of image text editing. Every character, line, and spacing adjustment contributes to the overall quality of the finished work. Professional editors pay close attention to typography, color matching, lighting effects, perspective, and image resolution to ensure every modification blends seamlessly with the surrounding design. Another important factor is image quality. A professionally edited image should maintain sharp detail because in image editing, every pixel matters, every detail counts, and quality always makes the difference.